Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you at the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can mute topics on Twitter. So first of all, open up the settings and privacy page, then enter the privacy and safety category. Onwards go for the mute and block section over here. After that you want to go for muted words, and in here just enter a word or phrase for the topic that you would like to mute. So let's say, I don't know, French cuisine. And then save. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.